Good morning, y'all. This video is to show you pretty much the effective way of researching for different topics. So, we're going to be looking at Boolean operators. So, researching using and or not and brackets and quotation marks. So, using the word and when you are searching for articles or journals, using the word and will produce sources that use both keywords or terms that you are looking up, and it'll produce fewer search results with more relevant information. So, for example, searching smoking and benefits, you know that your topic is whether or not smoking should be outlawed. So, depending on your stance on it, yes or no, you may want to search for your claim or counterclaim or opposing claim, smoking and the benefits of smoking. So, using the word and, basically, if we looked at it like a Venn diagram, using the word and would pretty much pull up results that overlap in a Venn diagram. So, all of your results would be focused here using the Boolean search and. So smoking and benefits. If you were to use the word or, you would get more search results. So 40 compared to 40 using the word and, as opposed to 1,000 using the word or. So again, this is to help you get effective researching done. Fewer results, more relevant results. So using the word or would either produce one keyword, one or the other keyword or both, and it will produce overlapping. So the both. So smoking or dangers of smoking. So you would have smoking in your results, you would have articles that mention dangers of smoking or dangers, and smoking and dangers of smoking. So you would have both, okay, in your results. The word not, when you use the word not in your research, it will only produce results for the first listed or the first typed keyword, and it would exclude or it would not produce results or sources for this second keyword. So basically, it removes irrelevant information, irrelevant search results. So you won't have any false hopes. So again, instead of 1,000, you might have 100 using the word not. So smoking, not drinking. Okay, so you will find results talking about smoking. Using brackets. So you use brackets in research when you have more than two terms, and it'll produce specific results by telling the computer which criteria to search for first, which would be the information, the criteria listed in your brackets, almost like the associative property in math. So with this equation, 21 minus 12 divided by 3, we have to solve the equation in the brackets first and then finish the rest of the equation. So 21 minus 12 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So it's the same with using brackets. You are telling the computer what to search first. So if we were searching dangers of smoking or benefits of smoking and United States of America, notice the placement of the brackets. In both scenarios, they have the same words, just the brackets are placed in different areas. So if our brackets were placed around dangers of smoking or benefits of smoking, that translates to the database. So basically, you are telling the computer, hey, find results that include dangers of smoking or benefits of smoking or both, and results that are based in the United States of America. Remember, in argumentative writing, you need to consider your audience. We are in the United States of America, not Asia, not Africa. Okay, so make sure you are specific in your search. All right, so putting the brackets around the dangers of smoking or benefits of smoking this is what we are telling the database. If we were to put the brackets around benefits of smoking in United States of America, we are telling the computer, hey, find results that include benefits of smoking based in the United States of America, or find the dangers of smoking. So this is the purpose of using brackets in your search. Quotation marks. We use quotation marks when you have two or more keywords that should be written side by side and considered one word. Okay, so this is telling the database how many terms you want to search, not how many individual words you want to search. If not, then the database is going to consider the space between the two words to be an and it'll search for two separate words, not one term. For example, ice cream. Ice cream, the creamy dessert, is two words, but it's considered to be one whole word or one whole term. Okay, so when we do our search, we are looking for the creamy dessert. But if you write it just without the quotation marks, what you are telling the computer is to find results that include ice, like ice cubes, and cream, like the liquid, which is not what we want, because those two words by themselves do not mean the creamy dessert. All right, so if we were to put quotation marks around ice cream, then that's what we are telling the computer to search for. Find results that include ice cream, talking about or referring to the creamy dessert. All right, so the Boolean terms and the words that the operators that you use have an impact on the effect of your research. So when we are navigating to Gale in Canvas, so I'm in my Canvas and I am navigating to the Gale Middle School, it's going to pull up the search engine, the database, basically. So what you can do is you can go to the topic, which browse all topics, and you can find smoking. We can take this route, or we can just do an advanced search. So again, we can take the smoking route and find smoking this way. But as you can see, there are 1,207 news articles and 3,913 magazine articles. You don't have time to go through all of that. So what we are going to do is use our Boolean operators. So again, our topic is, should smoking be outlawed? Yes or no? Depending on your claim, you may say yes. So smoking, we're going to search smoking. Be careful that you don't include any other search. And benefits. And let's see what we come up with. So you see how the magazine results dropped drastically, 127. So that means the sources that we find will mention smoking and benefits of smoking. Okay, so we say smoking should be outlawed. Here are the heart benefits of quitting smoking. Notice we have some articles referring to different countries. If you know for a fact that you have audience members who are Irish or are interested in the Irish culture, this may be an article that you may want to use. But again, when you are trying to persuade and convince someone, you need to consider your audience. Who are you speaking to? All right, so this may not be a great article to use. Whereas this one, the benefits of quitting smoking, would be an excellent article to use. Okay. And notice here the automatic MLA citation, the format. So once you have your article, if this is an article that you feel like you can use, then you come down here, copy and paste it, and put it in your Google Doc. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how you navigate and use Boolean terms in Gale.